In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation tabs in Looker Studio. Tabs give your viewers an easy, familiar way to move between pages in a dashboard so everything feels organized and quick to explore. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to help you avoid common snags. First, head to Looker Studio's home screen in your browser. From there, open the report where you want to add tabs. If you don't see your report right away, use the search bar at the top. Once the report loads, switch into edit mode using the edit button at the top. If the edit button isn't available, you may only have view access. In that case, ask for edit permission or make a copy of the report before continuing. With the report open in edit mode, go to the top menu and choose Page. From that menu, select New Page. This creates a fresh page that will appear alongside your existing pages, which makes it easy to see how tabs will look across your report. You can leave the page blank for now. We're focusing on enabling the navigation, not designing the content just yet. Next, open the Theme and Layout panel. You'll find this in the toolbar at the top. Clicking it opens a panel on the right side of the screen. Inside that panel, switch to the Layout tab. This is where Looker Studio controls the report's structural settings, such as headers, canvas size, and navigation. Scroll until you find the navigation type setting. This determines how viewers move between pages. By default, many templates use left side navigation, but we're going to switch that to tabs. Choose tabs as the navigation type. You'll see the preview update to show a horizontal bar across the top of the report with a tab for each page. To make sure everything looks right for your audience, click View at the top to enter view mode. In this mode, you'll experience the report exactly as your viewers will. Click through the tabs to confirm they're easy to read and that the order makes sense. Short, clear page names work best, and keeping the number of pages manageable will prevent the tabs from wrapping or truncating. That's it. You went to Looker Studio, opened your report, switched to Edit, added a new page, opened Theme and Layout, moved to the Layout tab, found navigation type, set it to tabs, and used View to confirm the result. With navigation tabs in place, your dashboard becomes more intuitive, faster to use, and easier to maintain.